Hey everyone, so today I have a video for you showing off all these blind bags I got from Five Below. Each blind bag is $5 and I have 14 blind bags. So that is $70 worth of goods in here. So I got 5 of these Hapidanbui hoodie figurines, which are Sanrio characters and hoodies. I also got 5 of the Sanrio characters sleeping, and there's 10 different kinds. I got 2 of these Sanrio hide and seek ones. I also got 2 of these Chainsaw Man Chubby figures. Now, these 4 I got it in stores, and the other ones I had to buy online. So I'm gonna go ahead with this one first. It's a Sanrio characters hide and seek. The reason why I'm going with this one first is because someone had opened this in the store already to peek inside. And since I didn't have any, I was like, okay, I won't look and I'll just buy it because I felt bad for it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this half opened one up. And let's see what this person didn't want to get. But if you're at Five Below, please don't open these bags up because that's just rude. If you buy it, you can open it, but not when it's in the store. And we have Tuxedo Sam. And this is a pretty heavy figure, but you can see Tuxedo Sam's face. Oh, he actually has a face and it's hidden in a book. It's big, it's a lot bigger than I expected. And it's solid too. So the first one we have is Tuxedo Sam, which is this one. I guess people didn't really want Tuxedo Sam. I'd want Pom Pom Pudding or My Melody. And then, oh, this Hangudon's pretty cute too though. So those are these 3 are the ones I'm aiming for. This was actually shoved in a different toy case, so I think people missed this one. And we have, oh, Hello Kitty. And Hello Kitty is hiding behind its bow. It's a huge bow too. You can see her whiskers. I'm surprised. They're a lot bigger than I expected them to be. I'm gonna go ahead and open this Chainsaw Man because it's not Sanrio. I already opened one of these before and I had Makima, but I'm hoping for Aki or Power. Who do we have? We have Aki! And we have Aki. And this is different from the Sanrio ones because this is kind of like a rubber ducky toy. So like you can squish it like crazy. Is it a soft vinyl? It's just soft. And the next one. Oh, I see the color. It's another Makima. So I already have her, so we're just gonna put her back in the bag. I'm gonna do the hoodied Sanrio characters first. So you can get Pochako, Tuxedo Sam, Keroppi, Batsumaru, Hangudon, and Peckle. I really want Hangudon. And probably just one of each would be fine. I wouldn't mind. But I want Hangudon to be in one of the 5. And, oh! I manifested it! We have Hangudon in his hoodie! Oh, it's so good! Look at the size difference. It's much smaller than the hiding figures. This is kind of what I was expecting it to be actually in size. Oh, look, he looks so good! Next one. This one feels even smaller than the last one. Oh! And we have Batsumaru! And here is Batsumaru in his purple hoodie, kind of looking on his side. He's kind of like squatting and be like, what? Next one. This one feels tiny too. Is it the same? Oh, it's not. Oh, we have Keroppi. Look how tiny and shy he is. He's putting his hands in his pockets. Oh, look at him. I love this one too. Fourth one. This one's kind of hefty. Oh. I asked for Hangyodon and I got 2 of them. I'm gonna hold on to you for a gift. Last one. It's another tiny one right here. And it's giving me double vibes. Don't be a double, please. And I see green again. We have another Karopi. Okay. So we got 2 doubles here, so that'll be for a friend. Never fret, we still have 5 sleeping Sanrio. The ones I really want, I would want the Kiki and Lala, Pom Pom Pudding. My Melody is really cute too. So I actually like this row a lot. So I want all of the characters from this row. And this one's much bigger than the other ones. Oh, we have Tuxedo Sam. And here he is sleeping. And it's the same size as the hide and seek ones too. So big. Bag number 2. Cinnamon roll! This cinnamon roll is holding its own ear to sleep with. How cute is that? And when you have your 2 figures, you can have them leaning against each other like this. Too cute. Bag number 3. This one feels big too. Oh! It's Pom Pom Pudding! And we have Pom Pom Pudding sleeping. Oh, he looks so peaceful. So cute. Next one. There's only 2 left. We have another Batsmaru. And here he is, just sleeping. Looks like he has one fin or wing on the side, and he's kind of holding himself on the other. 1 left. Please no doubles, please no doubles, please no doubles. We have Kiki. Okay, what am I gonna do with Kiki? I need Lala too. But we have no doubles for this one. Okay, so here are all the figures that we got out of the 14 figures. We had 3 doubles. And I would say that's pretty good odds. We have no doubles of the sleeping ones, which is great. And they're much bigger than I expected, but I feel like I need to get some more because I do need Lala to match my Kiki. And I do wish I could find more. I think I might need to get some more hide and seek ones too. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this 5 Below opening video with all these Sanrio characters. And thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one you liked best. Thank you.